I'm an example, possibly unique, of a Mid-Wales lesbian hand-raised by nuns. I'm not from Mid-Wales originally, as you may be able to tell from my accent. I'm actually from Ireland. There are many differences between Ireland and Mid-Wales. One of them is the abundance of nuns in Ireland. This is one of the aspects of life in Ireland that I miss, and I've recently started to wonder why this is. The truth is, nuns were a very formative element of my childhood and adolescence. I went to Catholic schools, and nuns featured prominently as teachers and role models. To be a nun was really something to aspire to. And some of those badass nuns were really inspirational. Slowly, the realisation has dawned on me that if I'd been born a couple of 100 years ago, I would probably have ended up being a nun myself. Instead, I've turned into a woman who enjoys being with other women, especially when we get together for a bit of shooting. Maybe being a Mid-Wales lesbian is not that different from being a nun after all.